This is the education. Now, the people are already talking about the home education. People are already talking about remote education. Lot many US universities have already said that they will possibly do the entire course or maybe one semester completely remote. We already started seeing the complete online degrees for not only some of the courses like Coursera's and Udemy's and those kind of companies. What we are started seeing full degree courses like a complete MBA program for 30,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. In now from the open universities have now started offering this kind of course pre-COVID. So post-COVID that's going to increase and that's going to come as a kind of a trend which is going to happen. In education, a lot of stuff is going to happen. Every school, every college. Right now, you talk to engineering college, you talk to medical college, you talk to pharmacy, you talk to dental, you talk to nursing. Everybody is struggling. What system I should use for examination? What should I do for online assessment? What should I do for degree certification? Distribution of my online degrees? How should I, do my online convocation? There is going to be, a lot of people, and people are struggling. There should be consulting companies. I'm talking about the businesses who can suggest a right combination of tools for those kind of setups. Every school is going to require. A lot of kids are going to be trained in the home. So can you provide in a business homeschooling kind of an tools and environment through the virtual as well as physical. In terms of learning management system, now this is going to increase the stuff. In terms of the people now doing this online cookery classes, training, getting training, music classes, tools, a lot of opportunities going to come in for the normal businesses to train these people to use online tools, use Paytm, use billing, use purchase through the e-commerce sites and all those things. They need to be trained. Now, who are the companies who are going to be training these kind of people? Need to come in, training the old people, training the brick and mortar companies like schools and all those things. Online, a lot of people are going to be depressed because they are losing their jobs. Now you require online counseling. A lot of content has to be created. There is a company called as from the SCL Nair, SCL's past CEO, and he has created through his Sampark Foundation the company product called as a Better. And this Better is they have spent a lot of money and this online training available for Hindi content through Hindi. So almost like 150 million students would be able to learn now because this content is going to be available on Hindi. What are the startups? There are very interesting startups which are coming in, and there are opportunities. Even, for example, using the computer vision and AI, you can even teach the illiterate person. So the three combination, you can use the computer vision, you can use the AI, and you can use the text to speech. So what happens is even the person doesn't know read to write, he can start pointing that particular smartphone on a particular any object, and the camera would recognize that object. It will get fed to a image processing, pattern recognition, sense what's the object, go back, find out what that information is, convert that into text, and convert that into speech. And that too, again, it will convert into a vernacular language. And that about the product, the phone will speak to that person even if he doesn't know how to read and write. Well, these are kind of companies which are going to come in. A lot of in-video analytics is going to come in because these companies, they can take the input as in video and go frame by frame and analyze video, analyze text, analyze what is being spoken, and they can now come out with a lot of information, and whereby now the example would be like the video game which I am talking about, that you don't have to go through this 45 videos of 1 hour each, because now these videos are indexed, because they will create an index text file, and you can now just go 5 minutes or 10 minutes each in all those 40 videos, and instead of watching for 45 hours, you would be done in like 2 hours. They will bring in that kind of flexibility. The proctoring, online proctoring is going to be very helpful because that startup has already started offering their services, where the people will be there on the screen, 25 people, and one invigilator is sitting on the other side, and any activity that person, the student, is doing which is little mischievous, this person can really point at that, and even by using the AI, that particular student's face will be enlarged, and people and the proctors and the invigilators sitting on the other side can see. A lot of tools are going to be required for peer-to-peer learning. That hierarchical learning will change to peer-to-peer. So there are tools going to be required to manage it from one industry to another industry. If that learning has to be transferred, how I should be going about it. Lot of stuff is happening because this is now going to become a mainstream, because the camera is watching me right now, and I can use the computer vision in terms of my eye gaze, whether I'm interested, not interested. The classroom activity, exam activity, I can check whether the person has understood, person is interested, not interested. I can do a lot of this stuff. Now, example would be, let's take one more interesting company. Now there are a lot of webinars. You must have seen a lot of webinars happening all across the world. Even in India, day in and out. Right now, we're into webinar itself. Now, if as a person, I want to find out that I'm interested in marketing webinars, marketing related webinars, where are those webinar listing sites? Can I go there? Can I find a webinar, series of webinar? Can I book those webinars? Can you create a startup around that? Whereby any person can go and register and discover those webinars. Right now, it's very difficult. If you get to know, you come. If you don't get, you don't. So there are a lot of these things which are going to come in from the education startups.